All right, I'm Louis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to show you how to dice an onion, and it'll just be a regular dice cut that we're going to use because that usually translates to most recipes that people are using these days, and I'll show you some different cuts as we progress. I've already got a clean onion here, and this is the root end, and this is the top, which I've cut off. The skin has been removed. So I'm making a cut halfway down this onion so that as I make cuts, I will have a foot of sorts, and it's a lot safer to cut and dice onions when they have a stable base to them to sit on. To actually dice this guy, we're going to go ahead and make some cuts this way. And I'm not going to cut all the way to the end so that the onion doesn't fall to pieces as I try to get dices out of it. Okay? So I've made cuts this direction and they're all parallel to each other, nice and even. So the next cuts are just a little bit trickier, but not too bad. You just use your hand to keep the onion stable, and we keep the knife parallel to the cutting board. We go back the direction that we cut the first time, and not all the way to the root end. Alright, as you can see, we've already got some dice falling off of there. That's a good sign. So now, the last cut that you make is going to go from right to left, back toward the root end. And that way, you see our diced onion coming off as it should, and they're separated because we made our initial cuts correctly. And then as they fall off there, that's your diced onion.